Hello students, today we'll discuss animal tissue. Okay, yes, before dealing with the animal tissue, just see here, suppose we're taking food inside the mouth. Okay, it enters into the esophagus. Okay, then it enters into the stomach, then in intestine. Okay, the digestion taken place, complete digestion, and the intestine. So likewise, suppose this is a simple digestion process, okay, or the digestive system. Now take example of respiration. When we inhale oxygen, okay, that oxygen reach here, okay, so it following the path of that pharynx, then trachea, then that to bronchioles, and it reaches into the lungs, up to the alveoli. Okay, in alveoli that exchange of gases take place, that is oxygen enters and CO2 takes out. Okay, but thing is that in which when we inhale the air, that is oxygen rich air, that our muscles or that lungs get contracted, the diaphragm get convex like shape. Okay, so likewise when blood enters into the when oxygen enters into the blood, yes, it through the circulatory system, through the blood vessels, it will reaches to all the body. Okay, so in digestive system food is absorbed and also it is reached with the help of blood. Okay, yes, to each and every cell. Okay, but thing is that there is a utilization of food, okay, that breaking down of food in presence of oxygen. Okay, this is not our point. In these two example we discuss that two things, that is one is muscles which get contracted, which get relaxed. Okay, and also we discuss the blood. Okay, and muscles and blood both are the tissues, or the that we call as the animal tissue. Yes, this is a just example. Okay, in animal tissue mainly, see, it is types of, that is epithelial tissue, that is connective tissue, muscular tissue, and the nervous tissue. See here a chart, that is epithelial tissue and their types, then connective tissue, their types, then the muscular tissue and the nervous tissue. Okay, so step by step we'll discuss first here the epithelial tissue. Okay, epithelial tissue, yes, it is also called as the protective tissue. Okay, because it performs the function of protection. Yes, again it performs the function of reabsorption. Again it performs the function of excretion. Again it is the perform the function of act as a barrier. Okay, yes, so many functions performed by the epithelial tissue. Yes, so on the basis of that and their structures, this epithelial also categorized below subtypes. Okay, epi means upon and thelium means to grow. Okay, so on the basis of that, the first, that is the squamous epithelium. Okay, squamous epithelium. See here that structure, it is blue color here. Okay, how that shape of the cell, it is a columnar type of cells. Okay, yes. So this squamous epithelium, yes, mostly it is located in the lining of the blood vessels. In the lining of the blood vessels. Okay, we know that arteries, veins, and the capillaries. Then also it is located in the esophagus. Esophagus means, yes, this is the food pipe. Okay, then in the mouth also. Okay, then in nose, then in skin and the alveoli of the lungs. Okay, so these are the locations of the squamous epithelium. So as the cells are located, yes, in esophagus, then in mouth, then in nose, then in skin, so along with that organs, yes, they give the protection to them, that is the protective tissue or the squamous epithelium it is. Along with that squamous, there is ciliated epithelium is there, that is squamous ciliated. Ciliated means in between squamous, that cilia or the hair-like structures are present, okay, in between them, and they perform the function of, that is filtration, okay, along with the mucus. Then stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium, see here, this one is this is the ciliated epithelium, these hairs are present along with this one. Okay, and stratified means it is somewhat pillar-like structure or the cuboidal structure. Okay, then the next one is that columnar epithelium. In that columnar epithelium, see that columns like structures are present, like these columns structures are present. See here columnar epithelium, but here the diagram is about the stratified epithelium. Before that, see here columnar epithelium Yes, it is located in the inner lining of intestine. Inner lining of the intestine. Okay, means these columns are present. That are the villi. You know villi? They are compactly. So food is moving like this, and it is completely absorbed by. Means the function here they perform the absorption. Then in pharynx. Okay, then in larynx, and also it is present in the orbital. Also, yes, it forms the walls of the stomach. That is the columnar epithelium. Yes, the formation of walls of the stomach and their secretion. Okay, then intestines and the gallbladder. Gallbladder again the function is the secretion. Okay, during the digestion. Then third type is the cuboidal epithelium. As the word is cuboidal, so the shape of the cell is cuboid-like. Okay, so see here a cuboid-like structure, that is blue color. Okay, where they are located? They are located in the lining of the kidneys. Okay, lining of the, that is inner lining of the kidneys. Then in the ducts of the salivary glands. Okay, ducts means the path for the secretion of that particular secretion of the salivary glands. Then thyroid glands. Okay, then the testes and ovaries, means mainly they are the secretion in the, means they giving the path in that cuboidal epithelium for the secretion. Then glandular epithelium. Yes, glandular in the sense the glands, especially glands. Okay, so mainly see here goblet cells are there. Okay, then sweat glands it is present. Then sebaceous glands in the skin. CBSE gland present in the skin, then mammary glands for the milk, and the salivary glands for the secretion of that particular during the digestion. Salivary glands located in the mouth for the initial digestion. So these are the epithelial tissue, yes, which covering all the tissues and all the organs, yes, from the drying it. It protects from the mechanical injuries also. Okay, so it is made up of, that is closely packed for the protection and arranged in one or more layers. It is separated from the underlying tissue by a thin sheet of the connective tissue. So that is the second type. Okay, so epithelial tissue, epi means upon and yes, thelial means to grow. Okay, so thank you.